Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn a link into a QR code. So in order to do this, it's really easy. All you need to do is go into Google Chrome or any other search engine and then typing in link into QR code. And we are going to use a free version I have for you guys right here. It's the first one that basically pops up without ads. And this one is one of the best in my opinion. So now let's say that I want my YouTube channel to be turned into a QR code. And here's how I do this. I simply copy any URL you want and you paste it right here. You make sure to click on the URL, enter your website, just paste it in here. And it's going to load, it's going to check if it's a valid link. And then we're going to click on download as a JPG. And what you now need to do is you need to sign up with Google, or you can just go for a free sign up. So you always need to sign up just because that's a way for them to be monetized. So we're going to quickly sign up. It's really easy to do. Simply type in your email and type in your password. Can be anything of course, and click on I agree. And now click on sign up. Now you need to check if you have gotten an email. So I will just simply check my email right now over on my phone for 1 second, and I will probably have gotten an email. So this is going to probably take a little bit. Alright, so we're now back into my email and we can see I've gotten an email. Just make sure to click on activate account. And now my account is ready, and you can just type in some things you want, but I would just recommend clicking on skip. Now you need to do which QR code type you want. So I'm going for website of course. And you can now type in your website again. If you have already logged into, you can also simply go back right here and refresh. However, you can just do it again if you want. Just click on next again. And now we can see that this is my QR code. I can even design it a little bit if you want to. You can change the QR code style to anything you want. And then this can be scanned with any iPhone or Android camera of course. So that's how you can create a QR code from a link. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.